beginning of the Bible's restoration message is found at the beginning of the book of Genesis. God created man in his own image, male and female. Man enjoyed the image of God, the intimacy of God, and the unbroken fellowship with God. However, man chose to disobey God's direct command not to eat of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. In so doing, he decided to take his life into his own hands instead of living from the wisdom, righteousness, and the resources of God. He would live from his own limited resource, working things out for himself. With that first verse in the Bible states, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." This verse tells it like it is, that the created universe with all its stars and planets is the unique creation of God. This means that mankind and the universe are not here by some kind of cosmic accident. There is a purpose for your life. There is a master plan behind the universe. Although scientists have come up with the Big Bang Theory and other explanations for the creation of the universe, the Bible teaches us that God is the creator of everything. We need to remember that the Bible is true concerning spiritual matters. Man in his own image. It is also true regarding science, history, mathematics, and other disciplines. The intimacy of God and the unbroken fellowship with without form, however, in darkness, one chose to disobey God's direct command not to be. The Spirit of God was the tree of the knowledge of knowledge of good and evil. God said, in so doing, they decided to take his life into his own hands instead of living by wisdom, righteousness, that was the resource of God. God divided the light and the dark resource. God takes the light for himself, darkness. With that tragic pursuit of the need lost its intimacy and fellowship with the Lord his Creator. But God didn't again patiently. The revelation of God, redemptive plan to finish the sacrifice that guided the waters of Jesus in the waters of the very first verse in the Bible states, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." This verse tells it like it is, that the created universe with all its stars and planets is the creation of God. The waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear. And it was so.